Today I'm doing some standard maintenance on the Rav4. I'm going to go over how to change out the cabin air filter. You come over to the passenger side, open the glove box, and we have here, there's a little clip here and a little clip here. What we're going to do is press those together and that comes down, and we're also going to remove this little damper right here. That'll reveal the air filter. So I'm going to push this side and this side together, and that lowers it, but you don't want it to fall all the way down. Then we need to remove this damper right here. So we're just going to give that a nice gentle tug. Boom, like that. That comes off, and that lowers all the way. Now, once you get this lowered to the right spot, this comes off all the way, which then reveals our air filter, which is this door right here. Then gently pull this off. And we have our holder right here, and it says what direction is up. So this guy comes out, and there we go. So then we're gonna pry down on these tabs here and here. These little tab holders, and this guy will come out. So now that we have this out of the holder, one thing to make sure is that the airflow is pointed in the right direction. So the airflow on this is up. See these arrows? It's also the same as this little indicator on here, which you can read, which says up as well. So we will put this back into our holder. So we put one side down into there, and then we tuck this over here so it's in the holder. Holder says up, and then it slides back into here. Kind of pops up into place. Then we throw our holder back in. See these little guys, they go down in that holder to hold it in place. And it just pops into place from there. And actually the toe of this end has to go in first. That fits into a slot, and then you push this in. But that's it. That's how you do it. Now we will throw our glove box in. I will put a link in the description. So what I did there is this glove box will only fit in if you hit the right spot. So you have to get it just right. These are, the little clips here are D-shaped. So when you hit the right angle, they pop right in. Make sure that guy isn't in. So those are in. Then I'm gonna attach our damper right here. That just pushes into place. And I'm gonna flex both sides, and we're done. If this was helpful, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. There's also links in the description for the new air filter, and leave a comment, and we'll talk to you later.